Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. I'm really pleased to bring you this one because this is an application that I've been waiting for. It's a mobile scanning app called SimpleScan and it's got the following things going for it. So number one is by Greg Pierce, the creator of Drafts, as well as other applications, so it's definitely got a seal of approval there. And secondly, I've played with scanning apps before, but as I don't need to scan all the time, I do find them quite expensive and I don't really get value for money from them. Well, for my use case anyway. And it can be quite convoluted to use. I just want to get a document, put it on a surface, pull out my phone and scan with an app, and then I'm done. And that's exactly what SimpleScan does. It really is simple. Okay, here is SimpleScan in the App Store. Now, if I just come down to this preview here, you can see the feature set ahead of me showing you the app. So it says that we've got easy, hassle-free scanning. So you can see how simple the interface is there. It allows you to create multi-page PDFs and it will automatically frame your targets. You can send the scan directly to email, to messages, files, or share it to other applications, as well as create your own custom destinations. And of course, we're going to run through all of that. And then finally, there are widgets that you can configure. We've got OCR built in, or optical character recognition, to give it its long name. And that means that any text within your scans and images is searchable. There are no ads, which is nice to see. And you can trigger scans from shortcuts or URL schemes as well. Now, pricing wise, your first 5 scans are free and then it's $4.99 per year. Or you can buy a one-off lifetime unlock for $20. Now, I've got a feeling this application is going to grow. I love Greg's stuff, so it was an easy decision for me to buy the lifetime unlock.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.